Kathakali is a major form of classical Indian dance. It is a story play genre of art, but one distinguished by the elaborately colorful makeup, costumes, and face masks that the traditionally male actor dancers wear. Kathakali is a Hindu performance art in the Malayalam speaking southwestern region of India. Kathakali's roots are unclear. The fully developed styles of Kathakali originated around the 17th century, but its roots are in the temple and folk arts such as Kudiyattam and religious drama of the southwestern Indian peninsula, which are the traceable to at least the first millennium CE. A Kathakali performance, like all classical dance arts of India, synthesis, music, vocal performance, choreography, and hand and facial gestures together to express ideas. However, the Kathakali differs in that it is also incorporates movements from ancient Indian martial arts and athletic traditions of South India. Kathakali also differs in that the structures and details of its art from developed in the courts and theatres of Hindu principalities, unlike other classical Indian dances which primarily developed in Hindu temples and monastic schools. The traditional themes of Kathakali are folk mythologies, religious legends, and spiritual ideas from the Hindu epics and of the Puranas. The vocal performance has traditionally been performed in the Sanskrit Malayalam. In modern compositions of Indian Kathakali troupes have included the woman artists as well as adapted the Western stories and plays such as those by Shakespeare. Kathakali makeup. The costume is elaborate and the faces is painted in vivid hues. The vesham or makeup is of 5 types: pacha, kati, tadi, kari, and minukar. The pomp and magnificence of the Kathakali is the partly due to its decor, part of which is the kiridam, the huge ornamental headgear, and the kanchukam oversized jackets, and a long skirt worn over the thick padding of the cushions. The artists completely immerse themselves and the audience into the story they are describing. Pacha, green. Pachavesham or the green makeup portrays nobles protagonists. Kati, Neef. Kativesham portrays the villains' characters. Tadi, beard. There are 3 types of beards of Tadiveshams: Vella Tadi or white beard for superhuman monkeys like Hanuman, Chuvanna Tadi or red beard means for the evil characters, Karutta Tadi or black beard for the hunter, Kari, black. Karivesham is used for she demons. Minukka, prettying up. The Minukavesham is used for female characters and say Mudra. Mudra is a stylized sign language used to depict an idea, a situation, or a state of being. A Kathakali actor enacts his ideas through mudras. For this, the actor follows a systematic sign language based on Hastalakshana Deepika, a treatise on the languages of hand gestures. Kathakali music. Kathakali orchestra is formed of 2 varieties of drums, the Maddalam and Chenda. The Chengila, which is a bell metal gong, and the Ilathalam or cymbals. Kathakali training. Students of Kathakali have a undergo rigorous training, replete with oil massages, and separates exercise for eyes, lips, cheeks, mouth, and neck. Abhinaya or expression is of prime importance, as is nritya or dance and geetam or singing. Kathakali is said to have evolved from other art forms like Kudiyattam, Krishnanatam, and Kalaripayattu. Kerala Kalamandalam is among the foremost centers for Kathakali training in the traditional way. Kathakali story play Ramanattam. In the 17th century, it is alleged that the king of Kottarakara, South Kerala, was intrigued by the power of the Krishnanatam performers. He invited the Krishnanatam troops to perform in South Kerala. The king of Calicut refused his invitation, so the king of Kottarakara created the 8 new stories based on the life of Lord Rama and called the art form of Ramanattam. Writers and poets began to create stories from other sacred books such as Mahabharata. Therefore, Ramanattam was no longer an appropriate name. The name for new stories was changed to Kada, meaning story, Kali, meaning play, and Kathakali was born. Photo Gary Lebo. Sacred theatre had now reached the doors of one of the most powerful forms of storytelling in word theatre. Kathakali unblocked the mystery of the sacred poems and made them accessible to the wider community. In the mid 17th century, improvements to the performing style of Kathakali were made by Vettathuraja living northeast of Kochi. He introduced the several important elements of Kathakali. 2 singers to invoke harmony, Punikaran and Sindhikarana, the Chengila cymbals to provide the tala beat, the chanda, a powerful drum originally used in temple rituals and accompany the Tol Pavakut, the Tiranaku, a method of introducing the characters in the play from behind a satin curtain called a Tirashila held at the front of the stage. The king of Kottarakara also made significant changes to Kathakali by introducing Malayalam into the Sanskrit, singing and presenting the plays in the temple forecourt so that the local peoples could experience them. Kathakali had now reached the local peoples and became their doorway into sacred stories of Hinduism. The Kottayam king of North Kerala wrote 4 magnificent stories that became the basis of Kathakali and a requirement of Kathakali actor to master. Olapamanna Mana Kaliyogam. Kathakali is an extraordinary combination of the arts, where each element merges to create total theatre to exemplify human behavior and express our internal desire to attain spirituality. At the end of the 17th century, a number of Kathakali troupes called Kaliyogam were established to develop Kathakali. The Kaliyogam was managed by the lead actor who was responsible for training, rehearsals, and that took place in the monsoon season and arranged the performances in the temples throughout the Kerala. Although Kathakali originally flourished, it went into the decline in the 19th century due to the invasions of various nations, including the British, and the patronage of royalty slowly reduced. It was the small Kaliyogams and the Nambudri families that enabled the Kathakali to survive. Olapamanna situated the small village of Vellinari was the home of the Nambudri families who supported the Kathakali for 300 years. They played an important role in the preservation of Kathakali and the creations of the great Kathakali masters. Idre Richa Menon was one of the original teachers at Olapamanna, the grandfather of the modern Kathakali and the creator of Kallurari styles of Kathakali. Kathakali and the other classical arts of Kerala were suffering in the early part of the 20th century. Kaliyogams, including Olapamanna, Mana Kaliyogam, were enabled to maintain large Kathakali groups. The poet Vallathol Narayana Menon and Mukunda Raja founded a Kerala Kalamandalam in the village of Cheruduruthi to preserve the arts of Kerala. The Kathakali artists of Olapamanna transferred to the Kerala Kalamandalam to the form of the first group of teachers together established the Kathakali as an international art form. Without the support provided by the Nambudri families such as the Olapamanna and establishments such as the Kerala Kalamandalam and the classical arts of the Kerala may not be survived. Olapamanna continues to support the festivals and performance in the village and offers